Hi guys, I am Nikhil Joshi. Today we are going to discuss motivation. What is motivation? Motivation is something that drives you for your career or your job. So today we will discuss motivation of each sign that will help you to search for the next job. What is it that you are looking for? What is your inherent motivation? Let's explore. So let's start with Aries or Mesh. So your motivation is teamwork, collaboration, communication, and presenting your thoughts to your colleagues, to your superiors. You cannot work in an environment where you have to be single, where you are individual contributor. You cannot work in that kind of environment. So look for any career opportunity or a job where your communication skills or your presentation skills, your collaboration skills are used. Moving on to Taurus or Vrishab. Now for Taurus people, your motivation is change, dynamism, or imagination, creativity, variety. You cannot do the same type of work day in and day out. You need some changes on a day-to-day basis. So try to choose a career or a job where there are frequent changes of the projects that you undertake, or the type of work that you do, the type of people that you meet. Moving on to Gemini or Mithun. Now it might be surprising to you, but your motivation is authority, leadership, where people will respect you. So if you are planning your career ladder or your next job, switch to a job which will give you higher authority, higher power, and not just money. Moving on to Cancer or Karka. Now for Karka people, you like jobs which are analytical in nature, where you can sit in a place and do a deep kind of work. There is you cannot do shallow kind of work. So basically look for any jobs which have deep analytical thinking required. Second point, you require anything which involves with healing. That is your motivation. So doctors, nurses, those you will typically find it to be Cancerians. Moving on to Leo, Simha. At the heart, you always dream of doing your own business or your own profession. Or if you are looking for a job or a career, you always want something which has a judgment associated with it. So people should come to you and ask for any decisions. So that is the role that you always dream of. So look for any consulting role or any role where your decisions will play a major role in the project that you execute. Moving on to Virgo or Kanya. You have a very specialist kind of attitude. You don't want to waste your energy in too many things. So you will pick up a topic and go deep into that. You also do not want to work with too many colleagues. So you are very comfortable in working alone, where you can just sit in a corner and do your own work proficiently and effectively. Moving on to Libra or Tula. Now Tula people like to have activity in their workplace. The workplace cannot be very shallow where nothing is happening, in day-to-day life. So you want some movement in your day-to-day activities. Also, you like to work on new initiatives, creating new projects or any new initiatives which will take the company or your business in a new direction. So basically, teaching also is one of the motivations for you. So if you can go to a training kind of a role, that will be a good motivation in your next switch. Moving on to Scorpio, Vrishchik. Vrishchik people are motivated by stability, by consistency. They are not looking for any fancy things or any new kind of things. they want a stable career and a consistent career. So basically, if you are looking for a change or a career direction, look for any industry which can offer you those. Moving on to Sagittarius or Dhanu. Your motivation is to learn new things. So if you feel that you are not learning many new things in your current career and you want to switch, be sure that you will learn new skills in the next move. Also, you like to mentor people. That is your motivation, spreading your knowledge to your juniors or your colleagues. Moving on to Capricorn or Makar. Makar people like to have peace of mind, and basically they do not venture into any career where there is too much of activity, too much stress. They actually do not like that. Also, they like to be in professions where they can help other people. Firefighters, police, military. These are some of the professions, or these are the motivations where Capricorn people can excel. Moving on to Kumbha or Aquarius. You are motivated by activity, especially physical activity. So if you can find a career where you are on the outside, not sitting in office in one place, that will be a good career option. If that is not possible, look out for a career where you are devising strategy, where you are taking new initiatives. That will be a good career option. Moving on to Pisces or Mean. You look out for creativity and stability. So any career which has a combination of both will be a good career choice for you. No flashy things. Be a stable career is what motivates you. So guys, this was my quick analysis of motivation of each zodiac signs. I hope you liked my video. We'll meet in future with similar other topics, new topics. So subscribe to my channel. Keep watching. Thank you.